Hi knitting friends, it's Joolsy and I'm back with another yarn haul unboxing video. I did a bit of a big purchase at Eat Sleep Knit, which is a store based in the USA, and I have been purchasing from them for quite some time now. I think it's probably over 15 years, and I love them. They have the best collection of yarn. They have great customer service, and they always put little surprises in their boxes. So let's open this together. When you purchase from Eat Sleep Knit, they sign you up to a yarnathon and they put you in a team, and you often get something like, this is the one from this year. They often send you out some kind of challenge map where you get rewarded every time you purchase yarn. I mean, does it get any better than that? You can see here, it's a really colorful description of all the different prizes that you can win along the way. And there's information on the back about how the yarn challenges work. Ever since I've been purchasing from Eat Sleep Knit, they've always put little treasures and rewards in their packages, which I just love. You also get a yarn lotto ticket, which is like a little scratchy, and it's a chance to win store credit or skeins of yarn or different prizes, and I love that. That's really cute. Anyway, let's get into what I bought. So, if you know me, I'm a small project designer, so I generally purchase things in 1 or 2 skeins because I'm only making small projects. I make a lot of kids stuff, so I tend to go for bright colors. This one is from Teal Torch Knits, which is based in Portland, Oregon, and it is an 8-ply. I'm pretty sure all of these are 8-ply today because that's my go-to. This colorway is called Hot and Fun, and can I just say, it is both of those things. It's squishy, it's beautiful. It's this beautiful pinky purple, but it's got like a darker kind of fleck through it. It's really, really nice. So excited to work on something with that. Then my go-to is always Madeline Tosh. I've been a long time fan of Madeline Tosh. And this one is Tosh DK, and the colorway is Out of Office. I love the names for all their colorways. They're so beautiful. This one, it's a purple and blue, but then it's got this kind of burnt, rusty orange fleck through it. It's really lovely. Again, super squishy, lovely colorway. Don't know if that's coming out there, but look at that. Super, super beautiful. This one is Spun Right Round. Again, a squishy DK, and the colorway is Tizzy, which I think is so fun. This would make a really good baby something. So I think that's where I'm going to go with designing something with that. Always have to get a little bit of Rios from Malabrigo. This colorway's been around forever and it's one of my favorites, Archangel. I just love the combination of the purples, the reds, the oranges. It's a stunning, stunning colorway, so I always try and grab one of those. Another Rios, this one is Anniversario. Again, lots of saturated color, deep blues, purples, greens. Love that. Then I also got a Spun Right Round, again a DK. This one is called Sugar Fairy. Isn't she sweet? You can see I clearly like purple because I buy a lot of purple. Then I got, this is Emma's yarn. I haven't purchased from this maker before, but it's Simply Spectacular DK. And this one is made, where are you made? And this one is hand dyed in sunny Florida. It's called Mexican Wedding Dress. So beautiful. Again, another new yarn dye for me. This one is Miss Babs. It is a superwash merino wool. And this one, the colorway is called Sunrise Swim. And it is hand dyed in Mountain City in Tennessee. Very beautiful, bright pinks and oranges. I've got a new collection of things coming out, and you can see I've gone for a similar colorway for everything. But I mean, if you love those colors, just go for it. Then I did buy a couple of mini skeins because I do make lots of mini projects. This one is Emma's yarn again, and it's Group Hug. That's just a mini skein, so that's got 50 yards or 20 grams. This one, again, Emma's yarn, is Groove Roots. Oh gosh, she's gone different. She's gone green and blue and grey. What was happening there? Anyway, I'm sure I've got something I'm going to make with that. And last, of course, we're ending with another purple. Emma's yarns again. This is Cosmo. And how cute is that? Another wonderful purchase from Eat Sleep Knits. I just love this yarn store. My dream is to be able to go there and visit in person. I would love to go there and actually see their store, but it is a long way away from Australia. So until I can visit, I'll keep purchasing online. I will leave a link down below to their online store if you'd like to check out some of their yarns for yourself. That's all from me today. Thanks very much for joining me. If you're new here, I'm Joolsy. I love sharing my knitting adventures with everyone. So thanks for watching till the end, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Happy knitting, everyone.